Hi everyone, I am Wafa Langao and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. We are going to discuss the die transitive verb tell from active voice into passive voice. Before starting this, we will go towards the definition of die transitive verbs or the detransitive verbs. Die means to and transitive which can be changed from active voice into passive voice and verb which shows an action. So those verbs which need two objects and can be changed from active voice into passive voice into four ways are called die transitive verbs. They need two objects, one direct object and one indirect object. Direct object means all non-livings, and indirect object means all livings. Why do they need two objects? Because the meaning will not be clear with one object. That's why they need two objects. For example, I say he told me. Now a question arises, what did he tell me? If I say he told a story, again a question arises, whom does he tell a story? So we will say he told me a story. So here the sense will be clear and understandable. And second way, if you want to change the, and if you want to bring the direct object at the beginning and indirect at the end, so he told a story to me. So this is the way to make the sentences of die transitive verbs in active voice. Today we are going to change the die transitive verb sentences from active voice into passive voice in four ways. We have got the die transitive verbs here, and die transitive verb is tell, and we are going to change it in the present perfect tense. Simple sentences of die transitive verb tell: they have told us stories, they have told stories to us. And if you want to make the passive voice, first we will bring the indirect object in place of subject, and then the direct subject in the place of direct object in the place of subject, and by him at the beginning, stories at the end, stories at the beginning, by them at the end, by them at the beginning, to us at the end, to us at the beginning, by them at the end. Like they have told us stories, they have told stories to us. We have been told by them stories, we have been told stories by them. Stories have been told by them to us, stories have been told us by them. Over there to we will not use, because preposition will not be used with verb tell. So say is followed by a preposition and tell is not followed by a preposition. You will say he says to me, he told me. So that way you will be making the sentences. Negative sentences, those sentences in which we deny the statement. They have not told us stories, they have not told stories to us. We have not been told by them stories, we have not been told stories by them. Stories have not been told by them to us, stories have not been told us by them. Interrogative sentences, those sentences in which we ask questions. Have they told us stories, have they told stories to us? Have we been told by them stories? Have we been told stories by them? Have stories been told by them to us? Have stories been told us by them? Next, we have got the formal sentences of die transitive verb. Have they not told us stories? Have they not told stories to us? Have we not been told by them stories? Have we not been told stories by them? Have stories not been told by them to us? Have stories not been told us by them? Next, we have got the sentences that is known as the informal sentences. Those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, and we ask them in a informal way. Haven't they told us stories? Haven't they told stories to us? Haven't we been told by them stories? Haven't we been told stories by them? Haven't stories been told by them to us? Haven't stories been told us by them? So these are the sentences of die transitive verb from active voice into passive voice. If you have not subscribed the channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. Goodbye.